Welcome in for Friday, October 2nd. It's a great day to talk about digestion, and that is exactly what we're going to start with today, our body systems. We looked at body systems and how cells make tissues, and tissues make organs, and organs make body systems, and now we're going to look specifically at what each body system does. And I'm not going to say each body system, we're not doing all of them because there's a lot. But we are going to kind of hit and highlight, I want to say three. Three most definitely are coming to mind. The first one is digestion. We are going to get circulatory and the immune system as well. And here we go. Excuse me. And here we go. Digestive system. So it all starts with your mouth with that mechanical action. It goes down your esophagus to your stomach, where it gets some chemical action going on. The stomach then takes it to your small intestine, where you start your absorption process, to your large intestine, all the way then out the bottom. Okay, so you can think of the digestive system as just one long track that starts at your mouth and ends where waste comes out. Okay, so for you today, you are starting here with Dr. Bannock's show, Learning Videos for Kids. Okay, he is going to go through your digestive tract and how this burger becomes your waste and all of the steps involved. Then you're going to come find me eating some popcorn, munching me some popcorn here. And right underneath that is your note sheet. Okay, it's a Cami doc. You're going to click on that. It will ask you to make your own copy. So make your own copy because it's going to put it then into your, oh, I need to delete those, into your Google Drive. Now everybody's got a blank copy. So you're going to work through your digestive system. So it starts up here with an overall, goes with your mouth, what happens there in digestion, because it's more than just for speaking. What happens in your throat with your pharynx, what happens in the esophagus, and the peristalsis that happens there. That's that muscle movement, squeezing muscles to make the food go down. What happens in your stomach, your small intestine, your large intestine, your rectum, and some of those accessory organs like your liver and your gallbladder. What do they actually do? If you get to that part, that's great. That's all the farther you have to go. If you want to go a little farther and look at the diseases of the digestive system, you might be interested in some of those things, like what happens when your digestive tract goes wrong, like those gluten sensitivities, the irritable bowel, the Crohn's, all of those are going to be in there. Okay, so there is your note sheet. Remember, you're going to use that fun little text box, that big T on the side, to create your text box to complete your answers. Where do you get those answers, right? Always the question. Right here is your digestive system slideshow. It is a Kessler one. Most things we are doing will revolve there. So here's our digestive system. You can see our nice drawing right there beside it. This is where you are going to start with that very first one where you get your answers. So it's a group of organs working together to turn food into nutrients, which the body uses for energy growth and cell repair. And then you're going to keep going. Here's how it works. So it breaks it down. Here's your mouth. Here is your throat and pharynx. You see those big titles at the top? Match those big titles on your note sheet. Okay, so you're going to work your way through all of your organs and your, they keep going. Okay, and then your accessory organs, what goes with that. And remember, you can stop at accessory organs, but you do kind of need to know that. The last thing is that digestive diseases, you're welcome to put those on. You don't really have to. Okay, so good luck. There will be a link for you to turn in your notes so we can check to make sure that you have completed this learning activity. And I will see you on Monday.